कोणतरी ब्लॉग बनवतोय. समवन इज मेकिंग ब्लॉग. आपला आम्ही आता शूटला चाललोय. ते मिथिलला सरप्राईज आहे.
सरप्राईज आहे. ते पण आम्ही इंडियन लोकांसोबत शूट करणार आहे आज.
जरा मोठे माणसं आहेत ते. मी पण मोठा माणूस अजून काही डिस्कस केलं नाही आम्ही.
हा पण निग्रो आहे.
निग्रो हगरो 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 हगरो. कंटेंट बोलू की आता काय करू?
बोल काय पण.
So there is a one content which I was written. There two boys, me and my friend Ashutosh was discussing something. We think ना
तू मला सांग मी त्याला समजतो.
म्हणजे काही गोष्टी आपण बोलतो. Illogical things we are talking. We say I know English.
So he is trying to say you that there will be two people, like there will be A boy and B boy. The A boy will be like he knows only Marathi, and B boy will be like somewhat English. Okay, so he will be flexing in front of A boy.
So direct cut to you, he will say speak, then you will say hi, my name is Till. So I will get fumble. Me Jay. Yes. Then you say मग नंतर काय बोलायचं ह्याला म्हणजे याचं किती डायलॉग यायचं 2 सेक्शन यायचं की
You will be only saying that hi, my name is Till. How are you?
So I will get fumble. So I will.
Fine. बरं आहे.
Fine. So हा.
Are you getting what we are trying to say you?
We are saying rough, but when you saw the reel,
Heather.
you will get the what. This is all the game of editing.
Yeah.
You will connect it with that.
Are you getting what we are trying to say?
You're adding a video together out of some
Yeah. Look.
cuts.
This is Jay, right? He will be like he knows the English, and I am Ashutosh. I don't know anything in English. He will be flexing in front of me by talking
English.
somewhat English.
I
Yeah.
have to PhD in English and masters in English.
He don't know that you are my friend in video. Then I will stand you in front of him, and I will say him that talk in English with him.
Yeah.
So I get fumble in
So he will be fumble.
Kind of. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, we are talking about something, or you just try to prove your English with me?
No.
Only the funny content. We will speak with me English.
You will
and
just only
I will
say
get
that.
only fumble. I am fumbling with you, and I literally don't know English. What English? How to speak?
Yeah.
That's
You will be like, just introduce yourself.
Yeah.
That's only. Then he will be like fumbling, talking in English like, hello, my name is Jay. मी बरा आहे आणि मला चांगलं वाटते.
Not that much English, but I will get very fumble. Hello.
Yeah, it is cool, right?
Yeah, let's go.
It is funny. You are happy right now.
Yeah.
You can do
I
it.
will see.
You can do it.
Okay, dude, but we need a setting, yeah? Like this. Is this our setting here? Like the room?
No, we are doing in.
We can do over here also. We can do down also.
No, but खाली चांगलं.
पहिले एकदा ह्याला ना
आणि
समजूया थोडस, मग आपण सुरू करू. दुसरं एक कंटेंट असेल ओढणी घालून.
काय करणार आहे ओढणी घालून?
हा,
ओढणी घालून काय करणार?
ह्याला नाचवायचं मध्ये.
काय पण
काय म्हणजे
काय मी लोक आता ट्रेंडिंग सॉन्ग कोणतं चालू आहे आता?
सुंदरी अरे हा मागे येईल ना व्हिडिओ. आपण दोघं
विल
यू डान्स.
येस
आपण दोघं ओढणी घालून नाचणार. काय बोलतो?
For sure, I want to see you dance here. The moves.
Yeah, we will dance and you will just have to do one step.
गाव काय आहे? What is your name? What is your village?
Yeah.
This is it's a traditional.
Yes, this is trending song.
Because I saw like some time ago, but I saw once a reel about Indian dances. This was funny. This was really funny.
Yeah.
Like, maybe I need to show you.
आणि अजून काय होऊ शकतं माहितीये का?
हम्म,
पण चिपळा बिपळा वाजवतोय
हम्म.
आणि हा येऊन 1 रुपया देऊन जातो.
किंवा
अरे म्हणजे आपण खाली लॉन्च एरियामध्ये बसतोय
हम्म.
आणि आपण गाणी गातोय
हम्म.
मजे म्हणून आपण तिघं आणि आहे ना आपल्याकडे बघणार, नीट निरखून बघणार आणि नंतर मग 1 रुपया देऊन जाणार.
हा म्हणजे तो
हा.
हा पण आपण वाजवत असणार
हा थांब ना मी
आणि
दाखवतो.
आपण गातोय आणि हा बोलणार की नाईस यार आप बहुत अच्छे यू प्ले व्हेरी नाईस आणि
हा.
तो पैसे देणार आणि जाणार
हा.
आणि आपण असे बघत बसलो Yes, what everything. This is no style. So we
Yeah.
play like this. That only one. Because play with only one. असंच ना असं दोन.
Hey guys, let's go out.
हा, खाली बघा.
Yeah.
So we are playing like that, and you came, you saw us that we are playing,
And you
then
will be happy.
and you will be appreciate us.
Yeah.
Yes, you are playing very nice.
And
you
take
are
this
very-
1 rupee.
Take this 1 rupees and then you walk off.
And you
go.
walk off.
And,
And we just
sing you.
look you like this.
Okay.
Okay, 3 con.
Yes, yeah, yeah.
बस झाले.
अरे अजून एक आहे, थांब जरा.
One more. ते ओढणीवाला तर मला कसं समजत नाही. हे 2 ठीक आहे.
ए सुंदरी सुंदरीवर होईल
हा,
भाई.
ठीक आहे चालेल. सुंदरी सुंदरी झाला.
Oh damn.
ठीक आहे.
He's really not really confident.
शाहरुख खान.
Shit. Dangerous.
तेव्हा एक गॉगल आहे
हा ना.
किंवा हा एक.
हा दे ह्याला हा घाल.
I'm dying. You really got the.
My God. Looking crazy, man. Look at the
Look at you.
This is the tourist, dude. It's the tourist.
Too worst.
Nice. Okay. I got the ideas.
आता तर शाहरुख खान वाला एक्सप्लेन कर जरा एकदा.
शाहरुख खान वाला ना काहीतरी
काहीतरी केलं पाहिजे ना.
काहीतरी पाहिजे रे.
But you make it.
हा हे
It's
कसं
like-
केलं इंडियन गर्ल लुकिंग आफ्टर जर्मन्स बॉय. शकतो ना
I don't get it.
आपण. He is wearing the blanket over and he will come slowly running at you and he will hug you.
Is it fine?
It's criminal. It's for sure criminal.
What, bro?
Joke.
We are making you Shah Rukh Khan and you are saying like this. Oh, you are making
You
us.
don't act like that. The girl was, girl gets crazy when seeing foreigners guy. So Indian girls. So you will be like when girl is running and coming towards you. And you have to get this.
You will be like.
I'm out in this.
No, you will be there only. You just look, bro. You just have to do like this. Stay here. This leg, right leg, you just have to bend like this.
Ah, dude. I know.
Only this much. You nothing have to do anything. You don't want to run. You don't want to dance. You just have to do like this. And I will be coming like this. Oh.
I see. But so we're hunting some people, yeah? We're hunting some people.
तो बोलता है आप लोगों को मारना है.
Yeah, okay. But we go down, no?
Doing
Attack.
not down only.
हे नाही ते ह्याचा कंटेंट इथे करूया ना.
कोणतं सुंदरी
नाही
मग?
सुंदरी इथे होईल.
सुंदरी नाही ती खाली पाहिजे रे. सुंदरी खालीच आहे.
खालीच होईल
हा
ते पण.
हा आणि तू इकडचं
ते बोलणार आपण बोलतो ते
काय
इंग्लिश वालं
ते आपण आपल्या इथे करू ना विरारला.
आपल्या इथे करू.
हा ते विरारून डायरेक्ट याच्यात शिफ्ट होणार ना.
ओके ठीक आहे.
आपण ते विरारला आपल्या एरियामध्ये शूट करू ते आणि मग याच्यासोबत आपण कंबाईन करू. ओके चालेल. मग इथे घेऊन चल.
Good instruments.
टू डू लाईक दिस. अजून काय काय ते बघ ते काढ ते आणि ते सगळं.
But I found one page you with your name, like Oasis account where you cut in videos. Like this.
See, we will shoot 2 reels. We will shoot and we both are in there. So yes, grandmother. So I was getting hurt. We have entered. So I, as a what to say, grandmother stylist, she says, "You sit. I will get you a glass of water."
Yeah.
He was already sitting, he relaxing. While giving the grandmother should give me na cup of glass because I am came. So he take the glass and
She slapped.
he hits him, and it was only one take. So grandmother was giving glass of water to me, and he takes and he slaps very hard.
It is very funny, bro.
Yes. So this also. When this is the situation when mother at home, he is a आपण काय बोलतो mother in law. Mother in law. So mother in law is very
Strict.
strict. When
Grandmother.
mom was at home,
Grandmother.
my grandmother
She
was
is a grandmother and he is a child of her son's wife. Okay.
Yeah.
So
मदर इन लॉ काय म्हणतात रे सासूला काय म्हणतो आपण
सासूला तेच नाही म्हणत.
मदर इन लॉ नाही बोलत
तुला कसं एक्सप्लेन करू मी. ओके वेट. फॉर एक्झाम्पल
when mom
she
at
is
home-
your grandmother.
she's my grandmother and she's
Okay,
acting
she is
in
your
the front of
grandmother.
my mom that
And
I
she-
don't have energy, I am very aged, I
She is
don't
acting
have-
in front of your mom.
my mom.
Yeah.
That,
Yes, when mom is at home.
yeah, when
Okay.
mom is at home, she don't want to work anything.
So we know.
I see.
Yeah.
Then
And
yeah, this situation.
when the mom is at home,
home.
okay, the mummy, your mummy is at home, your grandmother is doing
No.
like this. When
mom is not at home. That time,
Look at this.
I'll just get dancing and enjoying herself. Yes.
Yeah.
It is funny, right?
It is very also get nice views. It was almost got 4K.
5,000.
5,000
views.
I see you.
Yes.
You will say yeah.
So you can go down.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. Chal, Meetu. Chal.
For sure. More nice.
Please introduce yourself, brother.
Not yet downstairs. Come on.
Yeah,
Okay, bro.
Let's
Okay, guys. Banger. तेरे नाम की गली में.
Best case, filming like close. Totally close. What's in this magic package?
This is my portfolio. So I am now at.
He's artist, bro.
No, not artist.
He's artist. He makes drawings, portraits.
I will show you.
Yeah.
So we are. I was learning now. My foundation was starting. So
मित्रांनो रील बनवतोय रील. तुम्हाला कळतंय का मी रील बनवतोय रील.
huh? Huh? It was crazy. He always like to shoot vlogs and all, and I like to make like films. I'm into films. I like to make. I like the.
Yeah, sure.
We also have 4 short films. Yes, we have shoot it.
We have many stories, but we don't have budget to make it.
Now means that is a strategy and we are starting and to create some what we say audience to come. We started generating income and we started to make films.
Sure, yeah.
Giving some budget, nice budget, decent budget, so we can make nice story films. Our audience also. Sorry, my English was very.
Sorry, bro, he don't know how to speak in English. His English is not fluent yet, but he is trying his best.
So we can skip the other.
This is not our fault, but
We can skip the other part. It's already. Very rude. But I really
या एक अशी
I didn't-
वाजवताना आहे ना ऍक्ट करूया फक्त तो वाचू नको त्याच्यामध्ये
दुदुम तुम दुदुम दुदुम तुम
आपण
दुदुम
फक्त
दुदुम
ऍक्ट कर
तुम.
पाहिजे आपण त्याच्यावरती व्हॉइस ओव्हर करू ठीक आहे आता कुठे करूया आपण
कुठेही करू शकतो असं काय एवढं हे नाही.
ते लेक्चर खाली तर उतर खाली तर उतर
इथे करायचं.
So, what? Yes.
Yeah.
So we are kidding with you. We will teasing you, and you will not understand. That we think. Actually, that is you know what Marathi is. You will say Jai Maharashtra.
मला येडा समजला का?
येडा समजला का? Yes, you will say. मतलब you tell us you think that I am fool. That.
I see. I got it. So
Yes, I am not a
But
fool.
like-
हाँ.
speaking this in a good way. Shit.
या
Like the first thing, okay, but the second.
Second time we will say Jai Maharashtra. And
Jai
third
Maharashtra.
time we will say Jai Maharashtra.
Yeah, this is like good for this.
महाराष्ट्र.
band.
या
Maharashtra.
या
You will say Jai Maharashtra and you will say
बरं, आता तर-
मला
आता तर.
येडं समजलं आहे
तिघ
का?
जण फ्रेम मध्ये आली म्हणजे.
मला येडं समजलं का? Just try to speak.
Have something easier. Okay, wait, say it again.
मला
We will do it and it will be easier for you. Just we have to do one thing.
first
We need to complete this
complete
bit
only,
and then we will.
then we will come to here.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay? So fast.
I have angle set कर. हे बंद करू थोडं पाठी जाऊ दे आपण तिथं आलो पाहिजे
हा दिसेल धर.
I have one idea for the second one.
yes
Yeah, if you have ideas, you can do it. Exactly, to more creative.
ठीक आहे चालू केला करू
Lights, camera, action, start. आता बोल.
Hi, my name is Phil. I'm from Germany.
मी जय विरार गाव सॉरी विरार ओनली येस विरार वी बोथ विरार तू असं उभं काय कसं हे ऍक्टर असं हसत जरा कसं असं हे ही इज वॉचिंग मी
आता बोल.
Hi, man. My name is Phil.
मी from Virar. My name is Jay.
चला
एवढं क्लोज नको तू पण येणार आहेस
ना जरा
अल्ट्रावेट घेत
अल्ट्रावाईट टाकलाय त्यांनी.
वन एक्स वरती घेतो तू वन एक्स वरती त्याच पोझिशनला ठेव
बरोबर आहे चल.
The only thing here, what I'm struggling with, we are already standing together, yeah? Like,
Act like what
असं इथून स्टार्ट कर.
so we will make fun of it Okay, so what? Yes.
Yeah.
So we are kidding with you. We will teasing you, and you will not understand that we think. Actually, that is you know what Marathi is. You will say Jai Maharashtra.
मला येडा समजला
मला
का?
येडा समजला काय? Yes, you will say. मतलब you tell us you think that I am full. That time.
I see. I got it. Totally.
Yes, I am not a
But
fool.
like,
हाँ.
speaking this in Bulgarian, shit.
Yeah.
Like the first thing, okay, but the second,
Second time you say Jai Maharashtra, and
Jai
third
Maharashtra.
time you will say Jai Maharashtra.
yeah, this is like good for this
Maharashtra.
land.
Yeah.
Yes, Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
Yeah.
So you say Jai Maharashtra, and you will say मला येडा समजला आहे
एक
का?
जण फ्रेम मध्ये आले का?
मला येडा समजला का? This statistic.
Have something easier. Okay, wait, say it again.
मला
We
येडा.
will do it, and it will be easier for you. Just we have to do one day.
We
need to complete this
complete
week,
this one
and
week,
then we will.
and then we will complete. Frame मध्ये सगळं
Yeah. It is good. No, that will be memory. Okay.
Light.
स्टार्ट कर. स्टार्ट कर.
थांब
Hey.
त्याला जाऊ दे. नाही जावं ना जावं.
स्टार्ट कर तू रेकॉर्डिंग.
Action.
आता बोल. आता बोल.
From Jai, Virat. कट कर रेकॉर्डिंग. हा चांगला आलाय ठीक. मी अरे नाईस शॉट. डन.
ए सुंदरी आहे थांब.
थांब ना. सोड ना. भारी बोला वॉच दिस मॅन टॉकिंग राईट. व्हेरी गुड. नाईस.
चलो एक झालं. त्यांना घे फ्रेम मध्ये.
हाय करा.
इंस्टाग्राम फॉरेनर आहे माझा मित्र माझ्यासमोर जागतिक झाडतोय. त्याच्या समोर उभा केलाय. बोल आता जेवढं बोलायचं तेवढं.
आता कोणतं करायचं?
सुंदरी
हा.
हीच फ्रेम घेऊ. हा ती उन्हातली फ्रेम घेऊ. ओढणी घालू. नाही तर तिथे झाड आहेत बघ, ते घेऊ शकतो. आपण दोघं ओढणी घालू आणि मग आपण नाचणार. सुंदरी तुझं नाव काय. अँड यू विल बी लाईक तुझं नाव काय आहे. तुझं नाव काय आहे. हा
काय इंग्लिश मस्त.
What is your name? What is your village?
Where do you live?
Okay, that means like that.
Say it again.
Sundari means beauty girl, beautiful girl, beauty girl.
सुंदरी. तुझं नाव काय आहे? व्हॉट इज युअर नेम? तुझं गाव काय आहे? वेअर डू यू लिव्ह?
Yeah, okay.
ए ओढणी आहे ना ओढणी. We are taking up Aniket over here and we act as a girl.
बोल आता बोल.
My name. गपना. we stay with yes, yes. Okay,
Oh, it's joke episode. Okay.
see, you are comfortable.
For your
Okay.
comfort, we have come over here.
Yeah, no,
Yeah,
it's great.
to make you some funny things.
yeah. Yeah, I just want to hang out with you.
Okay, done है. असं चालू.
Please subscribe, guys.